took my truck out about an hour ago to run a couple quarter miles with a draggy, and unfortunately it just started pouring snow on my head, but I did manage to run a 12.2 second run with a little bit of nitrous. I'm going to show you a video right now. You can see how the snow is falling in the video, and it's also pitch black out on the country roads. So towards the end there, once I started slowing down, I almost lost control a little bit. It was a bit sketchy, so check this out. Clarify for anyone watching, all of these runs are done in northern Mexico, where it's totally perfectly legal to race your vehicle at any speed anytime you like. So far my best time on a stock block was 12.0. Unfortunately I didn't record that one, but I did get one on camera in slightly better conditions than the blizzard that I was racing in earlier. Check this one out now. Well guys, hope you enjoyed it. I was hoping to run a high 11, but I just couldn't get any traction. It was around minus 15 degrees Celsius that day. So we'll see if we can hit 11s on the stock block. If not, the new engine will be going in a couple of months. So see you next time.